Hello? Can anyone hear me? If you can hear my voice, please comment in the YouTube comments so that I can know you hear it. You can hear me. And today will be a bilingual streaming. I think that could be very interesting. 今天会是一个双语模式. So English and Chinese I will use in turn so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's wait for several seconds to see if else to wait for other people's joining. And also I am set up my environment to ensure better performance on streaming. Cool, thanks Walk. Thank you. Where is my comment bar? Let me check. Comments. Let me check on the messages. If anyone just joined, please give me a message so that I can know you can hear me and you are there. So I think we can start at 10:05. We can start at 10:05, and I think the sharing will last around 30 seconds. 大概30分钟的 sharing， 那不会耽误大家太久的时间。那今天会是讲一些比较基本的操作跟一些我的观察。So today we'll basically basic information I would like to share regarding the Binance Grid system to give you a very basic view, basic understanding. What's that tool, and how can it performs. Let me check once again. Okay, just for 1 more minute, I think I will start. And for others that cannot join, maybe they can watch afterwards, after the streaming, and the video will always be on the YouTube channel, so you can always visit it. We will start at 10:05. Cool. Then let's try to start. As I said, today's streaming will be bilingual. So if you have any question, you can always ask in YouTube channel, either English or Chinese. Mandarin is all okay. 可以用英文或者是中文问任何的问题。那稍晚可能就是在介绍结束以后，那有问题的话，我们来一一的回答。Okay, let's start. Let's start. Oh, thank you, thank you. I see you, my lovely sister. Thank you for joining. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started. So this is my cryptocurrency channel that talks about cryptocurrency. So any topic here is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. 那等等会提到一些投资相关的东西，那只是单纯我的观察跟建议。那没有任何的投资建议啊，那基本上就是仅供参考。那投资之前，请自己做好功课。那 let's start our content. So today I'm going to share the topic. It's about the Binance Grid. So first of all, we need to know what's a grid, right? And how to build up a grid. And there is the balance of long and short that we need to seek the balance of the grid. So 今天会基本谈很简单的带过3件事情。第一个，什么是一个 grid？ 那跟传统金融会有什么差距？那第二个是怎么把一个 grid 建立起来？那现在的工具都很方便，所以你要建立一个 grid 是一件很快的事情。那再来就是谈到比较风险的事情呢，你必须要有多方跟空方的2种的部位来达到一个平衡，所以呢，你就会得到一些好处。那至于是什么好处，待会就会提到。So now you know the coming up video content. This will be like a learning course to guide you to make up your Binance Grid portfolio. If you don't get any part of it, you can rewatch it several times to make sure you totally understand why you want to do it and how to do it. And you can ask questions at any time during the video. So let's start to look at my screen. So this is streaming. 这个是一个直播，所以你可以看到我的画面。And on the bottom side of the screen, you can see that's all my grid running. 在荧幕的下方，这边就是我想要提到的，我正在执行的这一些 grid。那什么样子是一个 grid 呢？ If you have ever invested in stock market, you will know that the current financial app is pretty hard to do automatic trading. Automatic trading is not really possible in traditional finance because you need to know how to coding and you need to have some technical knowledge to make it work. 在传统金融上面，你要做到自动化交易，真的是非常的难。你要了解工具，可能还要会写程式，还要做一些很多的东西，那不是一件很轻松的事情。But in cryptocurrency world, there is no such regulations, local regulations, which means that the cryptocurrency, the trading market, the tools that provide more rich features that to provide you to do the automatic trading. That's grid. 那个就是我才想要讲的 grid， 它可以在加密货币的市场做一个自动化的交易，那这是你在传统市场里面不太容易做到的。Then let's take one example that we can know what's a grid. Okay, let's click on the BNX, this one, and then let's view the details. 我们打开一个范例来看一下这个细节，你就会很清楚的知道说，哦，原来这个就叫做 grid 啊，它并没有想象中的那么复杂，它其实是一个很直白的一个观念。It's pretty straightforward after you see the details of a grid. So wait for some time, it's loading. Maybe it's due to streaming. The loading takes more time than my previous experience. Okay, so now you can see the grid details. 所以你现在可以看到一些关于所谓的网格，就是 grid 的细节。它其实非常的简单，就是当你设定了一个上区间跟下区间之后呢，你再决定有多少个格子，你就可以得到一个系统帮你自动下单的一个结果。So there will be a lower bound and a higher bound when you set up a grid, and how many grid you would like to have. When you configure it well, the system will automatically help you to place orders from each range that you can you don't need to manually add them all. 举一个例子来讲，这边可以看到，它帮我在每个0.66都设了一个买进的价位跟一个卖出的价位，所以一旦价位碰到了以后，它就会自动执行买卖交易，你就不用在这边进行很多次的手动交易，它是一个非常非常方便的工具。我认为呢，不管是传统金融还是正在加密货币世界的你，都应该用用看这个网格的交易。As you can see here, there's 0.66 range that system helped me to place order from each of the price. So you can see that the system helped me to place many selling prices and the buying prices. So that's how a grid works. And you can see that in the order history, it will show you the previous successful trade system help you to make the deal. 你可以在下面看到这个历史交易记录。简单的说，以我的这个例子来讲，每成交的一笔，它就可以帮我赚取1.28美金左右，台币大概35、36，那可能人民币大概7、8，那可能欧元现在对美元不晓得多少，那基本上它是一个就是自动化交易给你看到的一个结果这样子。So you can see that here, for each trade I made, the grid can provide me 1.28 around roughly around for that, for each successfully grid to be trade be made. Okay, so that's how it works. Automatically place orders. Okay. Then to build up grid is quite simple, so I will directly show you how to build up grid. 现在我们就来实际的去建立一个 grid， 那来了解一下 grid 怎么建立，其实一点都不难。Take this for example. I will pick up Luna. Let me pick Luna for example. Actually, all these projects, all these tokens is not the point of this sharing. 这些 token 都不是我想要鼓励买或者是卖的货币，那只是专门就是在执行给提供大家一个范例吧，知道说它是怎么样运作的。但这些货币其实我都有多多少少有研究啦，所以其实我知道他们在做什么，至于为什么我会把他们当做投资组合。So actually, all the tokens raised here is not any financial advice or recommendation. That's just for example to get you know how it works more easily. Okay. So that for Luna, let me check. It's showing it's loading. I think I can try to place order so that let me click on another, trying to make sure the environment works successfully. Okay, this is the chart of Luna. So now I'm going to place one maybe short. Okay, So short means you are expect the price to be depreciated, not appreciated. Okay, so short 就是做空仓的意思，它就是会比较期待这个货币往下走。Okay, so let's do an auto one. So the system will help you to put the lower price around 2 and the upper price around 2.7. So that's how the system will work. So let's take example like I can put a certain amount of USDT and try to have, let me double check, short 5,000. Okay, then create, and there will be confirmation button. So for each grid I will earn around 0.76 to 1% or so. Yeah, that's confirmed. So now system will trying to place some orders for you. Let's wait for some time.在直播的时候，它会比较延迟的会比较久。我的单子已经下出去了，它需要一点时间去读取。Okay, you can see that the Luna grid is there, so we can view the details to make sure what the system helped us to create such a grid. You can always check on the performance and the grid details at any time. 你可以任何时间去检查你的网格里面的这些细节跟历史成交的交易。To make sure that you are making everything fine， 就确认你做的事情是完全正确的。Let's wait for loading. Yeah. So it's about the halfway that you understand a grid. 差不多已经讲一半了，剩下的就是讲到比较平衡性跟风险性的东西。So now you can see that the pending orders. That's what the system helped me to place orders for buying and selling. So it's automatically helped us to arrange all the orders. So that's very convenient. If the price fluctuates, then the more possibility you can have your deals made, right? Okay, so that's how to create a grid. Yeah, pretty simple, right? So the next part is quite important. Oh, hi, good help. Nice to have you here. Thank you for joining. Yeah. So the third part is seek the balance of long and short. You can see that from my current running grid, the direction have long and short, right? Long means you expect the price to appreciate. The short means you expect the price to depreciate. Long 就是期待上涨 ，short 就是期待下跌。The balance means you need to have both long and short to make your portfolio more balanced, or you will have much more risk if one token appreciate too much or depreciate too much. That could be a problem that because this is a future grid. You know, the future grid means you have some leverage. So the long and short can have such a balance to prevent your funding to be liquidized. Yeah, so that's like a safety button that you need to have. Okay, then that's about the long and short. And also because this topic can describe deeper, because there are still some details and the techniques you need to learn. But this streaming is just to give you a brief, a basic knowledge. So I won't go deeper. Maybe I will do in my next video. Then we can talk more about this one. So there are long part and also the short part, right? So you can take advantages from each direction. So for me, I don't need to worry about the whole market is bull or bear, because as long as there is fluctuation, the grid will always make profit for you. So I can sleep well because I don't need to be afraid of, oh, the price, the bull market is booming all the prices and I short much. I don't need to worry about that because I have long and short. So that's what the balance really means. So the final thing that I would like to share is my history about my previous month, so that you can know such kind of strategy is good or bad. It's just a demonstration of my previous month. Select the range and click on search. So I do many long and short deals, and I will close the deals when it reaches the lower price or higher price limit. But as you can see here, I was pretty successful on Luna trade and the BNB trade and the GMT trade. In both directions, short or long, we can have pretty good profit according to how much we invested. So that's something that we can try to iterate, to repeat the successful experience, to see how much we can earn, or we can increase our investment amount to get better result, the bigger result, as long as it's a feasible approach to earn profits from the market. Okay, so I think that's all I want to share with you. And just recap what I said in this video. The first thing is what's a grid. The second thing is how to build up a grid. And the third thing is to seek the balance of your portfolio, long and short. 简单的说，今天有3件事情：什么是 grid， 怎么样 build 一个 grid， 还有 build 建造一个 grid 有什么好处？你需要同时你需要去达成它的平衡，有多仓有空仓，才能不受牛市跟熊市的影响，你就可以睡一个好觉，因为你不用担心价格突然暴涨很多，但是你握了一堆的空单，或者是你握了一堆多单，那如果美国突然又调升了利息，然后大盘突然大跌，你就会担心你的多仓被清空掉了。So, yeah, that's what I would like to talk about. Always think about the risk first before investing. 就是在投资之前，最后一件讲的事情反而是最重要的，你必须先想到风险这一件事情，这是值得不断被提醒的。Okay, so I think that's all I want to say. So yeah, remember to press the like button and the subscription button of my channel. And if you have any question, you can always leave comments under this video. I will reply when I see them. 那我想今天的 streaming 就到这里了，不耽误大家太多的休息时间。那来不及看到全部的朋友跟家人们，你们可以去从头开始看回播， 然后呢，有任何的问题都可以在影片的底下留言给我，我看到了之后都会尽快的回复。I think this technique is pretty quite useful from my experience. I would really want to share with you all. That's why I made this streaming. 那这个真的是我很想要分享的一个技巧啦，毕竟在加密货币也投资了一段时间了。那这一个稳定的一个做法，我觉得蛮值得推荐给大家，给所有的朋友跟家人们。所以，希望可以当做你们一个投资的参考。如果你们原本只在传统金融的话呢，没有碰过加密货币也没关系，就当做是听一个新的故事，听一个世界另外一头的人在做什么。Yeah, for those of you you already invest cryptocurrency, I hope this idea can give you some insight, can give you some inspiration to do something more new. And for those who didn't touch cryptocurrency yet, I hope this like a good story, like a story from the other side of the world that you can learn something new. 所以感谢大家今天的前来，那欢迎看回播，了解整个过程。Okay, thanks for your watching. See you next time.